Hello, my name is Mohammed Al-Khouli, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to start BIMS enrollment with a step-by-step guide on how the enrollment process works. I'm going to cover 4 items. I'm going to show you how to check that the biometric scanners are connected correctly to BIMS, followed by a process overview to BIMS enrollment. I'm going to explain what happens during the pre-identification check. Finally, I'm going to show you what happens when you complete an enrollment. Let us get started. I will now open BIMS and enter my username and click next. After that, BIMS is going to show me a live feed that is showing me the fingerprint scanner and the iris scanner. I'm now going to open Progress and select an individual record that I would like to enroll. I'm going to click on the menu on top and click Biometrics. If you don't see the option to click on the Biometrics button, then you can click on the 3 dots and then select Biometrics. After that, I will select the Enroll button. We have now initiated the enrollment from Progress. On the bottom right side of the screen, we see that BIMS is at the pre-identification page. The first thing we need to do now is confirm that we are enrolling the correct person. We can do this by checking the biographical information in BIMS. Second, we're going to check that we are enrolling the correct person of concern, and the person of concern is sitting in front of us. We will now start collecting the biometrics of the person of concern in front of us, and during this time, BIMS will check if the person is biometrically enrolled before or not biometrically enrolled. If the person is not biometrically enrolled, you will see a message saying continue enrollment. If they are enrolled, BIMS will tell you person is found. During the enrollment, you will find some POCs. They have amputated fingers or bandaged fingers, for example. You can click on the missing reasons button in BIMS and then start providing the missing reasons. The missing reasons button is there to help you identify why you're unable to capture the following biometrics. During the enrollment, you have the option to collect fingers first or iris first. You can switch between them by simply clicking on the iris or the fingerprint button. The buttons are highlighted in the video in red and green. I'm now gonna click on the face capture button, and now I will start capturing the POC photo. In the photo menu, we have few buttons that I would like to explain to you. The first button is automatic capture. This BIMS will do all the settings and configuration for you, and it will adjust the brightness, for example, for you. The next button we have is the manual capture. This button is really useful in case you have a child in front of you that keeps on moving and you want to capture their photo. Then we have the button that will get a photo from Progress or Wrap, but in order to use this button, you need to have the photo inside of Progress or Wrap. Our fourth button is Crop. This button will help you adjust the photo size. In case you modified the settings like contrast or colors and you want to put it back to the default setting, you can always click the Reset Camera Controls button. And finally, we have the Missing Reasons button. In case one of the persons of concern is refusing to have their photo taken, you can press this button and place the reason why they are refusing to take the photo. And now I can click Enroll button. Once I do that, Progress will be updated with the photo and will have a biometric ID recorded in the biometric identity table. We now get a notification from BIMS saying that the enrollment has been done successfully. I'm now going to switch back to Progress. I'm now going to refresh the page, and the first thing we see is the photo has been updated. We also see that the biometric status has been updated to show that we have 2 fingers and 2 eyes. Thank you all for watching. For any questions, please write to Global Service Desk.